start with the introduction of vectors and scalars. So what is a first we'll start with scalar. So what is a scalar? So in physics we discuss about many physical quantities. Okay. Physical quantities means like any term that comes in physics, like temperature, mass, density, force, velocity, acceleration, like that. These are all called as physical quantities. Okay. So these physical quantities are divided in two categories. One is scalar and another is vector. Okay. So what is scalar? Scalar are that the physical quantities that can be completely described by a numerical value. That means to define scalar or to describe a scalar, only numerical value is enough. Okay, numerical value along with it units, along with the units of that physical quantity. That means, for example, if I am asking your mass, what is your mass? You will simply say, for example, like 20 kg or 40 kg or 45 kg. So here, to describe your mass, you need a number and a unit. Okay, the unit. So 20 kg, 40 kg, 45 kg. Or I am asking you to tell me your height. You will say like 5.3 feet or 183 centimeters, like that, na? Feet. So here it is a number and this is a unit. So so these are called scalars. Here the height is a scalar. Height is a physical quantity which is scalar, and mass is a scalar. Mass is a scalar. Examples. Okay. See what is a vector. Okay. So vector are the physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction. Means see, some physical quantities requires to define that physical quantities, it requires both magnitude and direction. See, for example, if I say 5 Newton force is acting on this block. Okay, 5 Newton force is acting on this block. Does it give complete information about that force or complete information about how this body moves? No, right? Because we have to mention that 5 Newton force is acting in this direction or this direction or this direction or this direction. So here we have to define the force perfectly with both magnitude and direction. Okay, so if we apply force in right side, we have to represent that it is in acting in right side. To represent the things, the physical quantities with magnitude and direction, we will be learn in this chapter, in the vectors chapter, how to represent it, how to represent the physical quantities with both magnitude and direction. Okay, so examples of vectors are force, acceleration, velocity, momentum, etc. These are some examples of vectors that we are going to learn in further class.